Welcome back to the Maths and English YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at frequency trees, what they are, and how we work out questions involving frequency trees. Okay, so the first thing to know is what is a frequency tree and why do we use them? So the basic definition is a frequency tree can be used to record and organize information given as frequencies. This can be used to calculate probabilities. So it's just a nice, easy way to lay out different probabilities, and it's just a very simple way to work out different frequencies within probability. Okay, so I think the best thing to do here is work straight on a question, and I'll explain as we go through how we work with frequency trees and how we work out this type of question. So question 1, 30 people took a literacy test and a numeracy test. 23 of the people passed the literacy test. And then we've got question A, use the information to complete the frequency tree. So this is what a frequency tree is always going to look like. So it looks very much like a tree where you have your main stem, and then from that main stem you have stems that grow out, and we need to fill in the blanks with the numbers that need to be in every single position. We already have 2 here, so we've got 3 and 21, but we're going to work through it and fill out all the blank spaces. Okay, so this first stem is the main stem and the main number. So the main thing here is that 30 people took the test. So that 30 is going to go at the stem of the tree because that's the amount of people that started the test. Now we are told that 23 of the people passed the literacy test. So this first part is to do with literacy, as it says here, and this stem is for pass, and we know that 23 passed, so we'll put 23 in this box. If there was 30 people overall who took literacy test, 23 passed, that means 7 must fail to equal the 30 people. Okay, so now let's move on to the numeracy side of the test, and this is where we use these numbers to work out the rest of the numbers here as well. Altogether, we know that 21 passed literacy and also numeracy, and we see that by saying, okay, there's 30 here, they pass literacy and they also pass numeracy in that line. So we know that there's 21 out of the 23 that have passed numeracy as well. So there must only be 2 that fail numeracy once they pass the literacy. Because out of the 23 here, we have 21 who pass, and obviously the 2 that fail to make up the 23. And on the other side, the people who fail the literacy, there's 7 overall, and we already know there's 3 that fail. So how many must there be that pass? There must be 4 to make the 7. So from this, we can work out that people that pass literacy and numeracy is 21. People that pass literacy and fail numeracy is 2. People that fail literacy and pass numeracy is 4, and people that fail literacy and fail numeracy is 3. And this is how we use frequency trees. As you can see, it's really clear and really easy for someone to come along and understand what's happening here, and it makes it really easy for the consumer to understand what you've worked out. We look at part B, write down the number of people that pass the numeracy test. Okay, so here out of the 30, which if you add up all 4 of these numbers, you'll get 30. How many passed? So we have 21 here and another 4 here. So it's 25 people passed, which means 5 people must fail. That is a quick overview of what frequency trees are and how we work them out. If you're still not completely sure and don't understand it, have a rewatch of the video and it might help you understand it a little bit easier. There's going to be loads of probability videos coming up. This is just a starter. So if you are interested in more of them, make sure to subscribe, also like, and I will see you in the next video.